like.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have this very easy mummy tutorial. Thank you to Bryan's mom for giving me the idea. Love you. To start off the video, I just popped in some white contacts, going in with the lightest foundation that I have, the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 105. This is one of my favorite foundations to use, and I'm just going to be adding this onto my face, my neck, and my shoulders. Next, I'm going in with the Nars Creamy Radiant Concealer. This is the shade Canal. Also went in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light Medium Honey. I just grabbed the two best full coverage, long-lasting concealers. I set my foundation with the Airspun Translucent Powder and then just brushed it all off. Next, going in with the Studio Pro from BH Cosmetics Eyebrow Palette. I'm going in with the darkest eyebrow shade, both in the shadow and in the cream. And just going in with a clean spoolie and just dispersing the product all over the brow. Don't forget to go back and clean up your eyebrows to make them look super nice and sharp. I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape. There's no other better concealer to do this with. I am adding some translucent powder under my eyes. I'm kind of baking just because I'm going to be going in with some really dark eyeshadow shades and don't want any fallout to ruin my face makeup. I will only be using the Jaclyn Hill palette for the rest of the video, even for contouring. Going in with this shade right here and taking it with a very fluffy blending brush, doing some circular motions. This is going to be our transition shade. I'm also bringing it a bit down the bridge of my nose. This is the next shade that I'm going in with. It's important when you're doing a black smoky eye to not go in straight in with the black. Well, it's makeup. You can do whatever you want. I've always liked to go in with brown shades and then make my way to the black. For the black, I'm going in with this very small blending brush, and I will just be going in with small amounts and then building them up. Going in with the first brush that we use for our transition shade so I can blend out the black to give it that smoky effect.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
I have raved about the Stila Magnificent Metals liquid eyeshadows for so long and all over my channel. You guys know I love this product. I am using the shade Diamond Dust. Just applying it on my lid and then going in with a flat brush and smooth out the edges.
Till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
I'm using the Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara from IT Cosmetics. I love this mascara so much, especially for no fake eyelashes days, because it makes it look like I have some volume going on. The black eyeliner that I'm using is the NYC Liquid Liner. I ordered it off of Amazon because I think it's discontinued, but you can order it in bulk through there.
Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll
Next, I'm going in with my new favorite lash company, Dollar Lash Club. I'll have them linked down below. They have great quality lashes, and the cheapest eyelash that you can get is $1. So go check them out. Go at them on Instagram because it's so insane. I have purchased eyelashes in the past around $18 to $25 a pair for the same quality, and I'm buying it for $1. I will be using this shade to contour. I'm bringing my contour kind of high up on my cheekbones. I want to have that sunken in kind of I'm dead but I'm kind of going out kind of look. I'm also adding a little bit of black eyeshadow. On my lips, I'm not going to be putting anything on besides black eyeshadow, and I'm just focusing it in the middle. I will be going in with my CC Beauty Flash palette and going in with the black cream color and just applying it to my hands. The highlight palette that I'm using is the BH Cosmetics Spotlight palette, and I'm taking the lightest highlight that they have. I'm spraying my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray before I apply the highlight. This is my favorite setting spray, by the way. And that completes the look. I am so happy how it turned out. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. If you guys decide to recreate any of my looks, please make sure to tag me. I will link my Instagram down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on those notifications because I have one more look for you guys for this month of Halloween. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!